It's like a chain. I'll put it back, don't worry about it. Just getting it out of the way. We're gonna take this LT42 Cadet and pull this post out of the ground. Yeah, why not? Yep, probably the higher the better. Gotta get that leverage. Oh, it's so beautiful outside. Oh, we don't have a clevis or something? Alright, we are locked and loaded. We're good, man. Nice and easy. We're gonna go. Alright, let me see what's going on down here. Keep going. Hey. Keep going. There we go. Woo! We got the post out. Job well done, man. Bringeth the heat.
What do you think she is? This is a little baby torch. This is a little guy.